Welcome back, guys. What's up? So today I'm here with Beauty Forever here, and it's the same packaging as usual. As I open the box, the wig. What I got in today's package is a wig cap. I got one more of these bags here, which basically has a pair of lashes, these blue clips, and a scarf. Lastly, in the box, I got a drawstring bag branded Beauty Forever here, perfect for storage of the wig after you've worn it and wash it and stuff. Oh my, color job is on 10. Okay, guys know my obvious. I always get so excited for these. So this is a 13x4 lace front wig. It's a standard cap construction inside. It's a highlight wig, first of all. Let's start by that. And it's the new type of spiral body wave wig texture. It's 22 inches long. I feel like this is perfect for the holidays. Perfect. I love how highlighted the front portion is. So nice, so nice. And I know I won't have to touch up these curls that much, only if like in the front, if I really want to. It's very full. It feels really good. It feels really, really good. The inside has a total of 3 combs and adjustable straps in the back. Medium brown lace, and you could part it anywhere you really want because it's a free part lace front. The front did come pre-plucked, so that is lovely. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into installing this, okay? With me.
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright.
So, as you can see, the hairline it's lightly pre-plucked. So if you want to go in and pluck it further, you definitely can do that, okay? As you guys know, for the most part, I'm gonna go ahead because it's not dense. It's not like super dense, so I can definitely melt it in and press it down. So I'm gonna do that with my got2b. Take my time, install it. So yeah. And guys, I finally got a brand new dryer. I'm pretty sure you kept on hearing me say it here and there that I want a new dryer. So I finally, well, let me tell you, the previous one I had, it just died. It died on me, and I just said, all right, it's time. I had to just upgrade. It's really like the same brand, but this one feels way smoother. That one, I've had it for like 5 years, 4 to 5 years now. It was time. Definitely. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it. As you guys know, I'm just gonna kind of speed through this portion.
Time for a love potion, a little sweet and spice. Throw it all in a cauldron, mix it up real nice. Fire in my eyes, stir counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling in love with me. this is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be alright. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me.
So guys, I am getting shedding, and definitely right off the bat I know that it's from, you know, the processing. So I am getting a couple strands from it, running my fingers through it. I must say I did not go over the hair at all with my iron. I love the fact that it kept the curl. You see the streak vibe that I was talking about? I do love the way the color kind of just graduates, you know, so it's from like a really light highlight and then it goes to a medium and then it gets darker. It's really pretty on the color job. Really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. So, and it is full straight to the tip. Movement feels good. Luster, it doesn't, the luster looks very realistic. So that's really, really cute. Yeah, I'm gonna be sure to put all the information on this wig down below in my description box, so go ahead, check it out. If you're interested to order this wig, you can do so. The direct link will also be down there. Shout out to Beauty Forever here for this gorgeous wig. It's really nice. Shout out to them. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Go ahead, give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and also check out my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE DIVINITI. Yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.